Automated biometric tagging and data logging for the Bullsnake Factory. Vocalization study specimen Model P-C46.
The consistency on this raw material batch is excellent. The glottal score confirms suitability for the P-C46 line.
Final input verification for the Bullsnake Factory. Vocalization study specimen Model P-C46.
Specimen P-C46 transfer successful. Steady muscular movement confirmed.
Proceeding to hydration.
Here in Process A, the automated feeding system provides the precise nutrients required for the vocalization study model.
A specialized robotic vacuum system removes biological waste from the habitats of the growing Pituophis Catenifer bullsnakes.
Initiation of primary vocalization training for specimen P-C46. We are introducing controlled airflow to measure the specialized hissing sound.
Using high frame rate infrared imaging, we analyzed the sustained hiss of the bullsnake, instantly generating a 3D physiological profile.
These stabilizers ensure the precise temperature and humidity required, guaranteeing the consistency of the live specimen upon arrival at the research facility.
The production zone transitions to standby mode. The vast area now appeared and mostly empty.
The mesh baskets are robotically moved into a sequential rinsing station, washed with ultra-pure deionized.
The glass vial is moved into a sealing mechanism that caps it under a controlled nitrogen atmosphere. These bullsnake samples require meticulous documentation for global customs clearance. Ensure all manifests are attached.
The toxin profiles match the GIIA variant we found in the initial samples.
Yes, the sequencing data confirms the correlation.
This data validates the high consistency and preservation standards maintained during Process B, emphasizing the
tracing. The consistent quality of the preserved 5 by 5 millimeter fragments is key. The industrial consistency ensures reliable.
The inspection confirms the perfect physical state of the samples, validating the efficacy of our preservation methods.
These markers confirm the breakthrough. The 5 millimp samples allowed us to isolate the key adaptive genes.
Yes, the data on the Pituophis adaptation is undeniable.
As you can see on the screen, the genetic sequencing data confirms the purity of these industrial samples.
As you can see, the genetic markers highlighted here match the sequences from the initial batch perfectly.